Hi guys, Mitch King with the market recap on Thursday, March 13th. Here's Dow 30 down 231 points or 1.4%. That's 4 consecutive down days for the Dow. It's been the weaker index. You really have got a double top when you look at this on the daily chart. You've got this 16,006 number in this red box. It couldn't even get up to that, and then now it's failing. So from a technical point of view, that's pretty negative. Nasdaq is still in a nice uptrend. Correction today. That's 5 down days out of the last 6 trading days. This won't take much to do a rebound and make some new highs. I think the pullback here is probably short-lived. I don't see it getting back as being as big as the one that's in this yellow circle here I just drew. I think it's a little more subdued or a softer pullback. We got a little nervousness still from the Russian occupying Crimea, and they're trying to sway the voters to Russia take over that region. What started this pullback was the data out of China was not too good, plus they had their first default on some bonds, and so people are forecasting as they pull back in their economy, we're going to see more defaults. China's government has not bailed out those bonds that were issued. And plus we're at some record high numbers, and it's making people pull back and do a little bit of selling. But I'm not thinking it's going to be a disaster pullback. Let's go through a handful of stocks. CAP is a short, down 2%. This is a new one as of yesterday. CAR's another short that's new as of yesterday. EMN was a short, down 1.1%. Here's Honda Motors Corp, down 2%, looking for this $35 area to hold. Probably bounce off 35, and if it drops below 35, that should be stopped out. Little longer term hold position on the long. Here's the short on WEX, down 2.2%. CMG is a long that could drop some more, so you might reduce or sell this one. I'm a little concerned that if we get some more pullback that this is going to go with it. It's generally been on a pretty steady uptrend. There's a new short on KAI as of yesterday, down 2.5% today. The good thing about this, if you went after these shorts today that were posted on yesterday's report, they opened at the high and it sold off from there, pretty much like the indexes did today. Amazon got a little pop up to 383 after announcing that they are raising their Prime fees. They have 20 million subscribers. I think that's either a $20 or $24 a year rise, and that brings them about 400 to 500 million of extra revenue there. So they don't anticipate losing too many Prime members. They're gaining another 5 million this year. So this should continue to move up, especially when the market turns around. JBSS down 2.55% on this short. Probably cover the next day or 2 or 3. FLT down 2.5%. I think there's more downside on this one. The short on AE, that's just a gift to go from $80 to $66 in the same day. So that was covered at $69.15. Should cover that tomorrow if you still have it short. Looking for Maxwell to break down more. It did drop to $12.65 yesterday during the middle of the day. I'm thinking that we get down toward $12. Couple of stocks that are trade of the day. Here's WWE. That's World Wrestling Entertainment. This was a short here a day or 2 ago, but was covered because it was acting so bullish. Went up from 29.50 to 32. So nice little day trade there. And a lot of guys shorted that. And some guys shorted that in the trading room. Big short on TAL. Big move on TSRO at the open. There's a handful of stocks did that and then turned down toward the last part of the day. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.